So because it's fall and the weather's so chilly, I'm ready for some pecan pie.
Pecan pie.
Pecan pie.
No.
Okay, is it pecan or is it pecan pie?
It's pecan.
It's pecan.
No.
Why?
Pecan is full of poison pellets.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Good morning.
Morning. Cheers.
I
Love you.
Good morning, everyone.
Happy colors.
Happy Saturday. Happy autumn. Look at this tree. Isn't it gorgeous? We call it the reindeer tree because the branches have like fuzz on them like antlers. So we call it the reindeer bush.
Huh.
We don't know what it's called. Anybody know what it is?
It's a pretty color tree.
It's gorgeous. And then the other tree over here has a bunch of little red berries on it. It's pretty too. Well, first thing. Okay, second, because we talked about autumn.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Happy birthday to our brother-in-law, Kevin.
Kevin, happy birthday.
His birthday is coming up on Wednesday. Happy birthday. And then Mom's birthday is Friday the 13th.
Oh boy.
She used to always tease that she was born on Friday the 13th, which she was not. It was not a Friday. But she was born October 13th. So happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Last Saturday we chatted with you, and I just kind of struggled with my allergies.
Yeah.
I have been all week.
It's been pretty bad.
Yeah, it's...
We have a peanut gallery this morning.
Oh, it's the birthday boy.
No peanuts.
No peanuts? Well, darn. Darn. He might throw something else at us. Watch our step. Oh, yeah, so I don't even really know what else we did
You've been suffering all week. You're allergic.
Actually, for the past couple weeks.
You are allergic to Nevada.
No, not Nevada. I didn't struggle with allergies all year long, just since the rabbit brush has been blooming. And when I'm in town, it's not as bad. Still a little bit, but not as bad as out in the valleys.
Rabbit brush, duck brush, rabbit brush, duck brush, rabbit brush, duck brush.
Oh, gosh. I guess last Saturday we just it was watching baseball, or one of the last
The
games.
end of the season.
Sunday was the last Cardinals baseball
For
game.
the Cardinals.
And as far as we're concerned, the end of baseball this season.
Cardinal season ended actually around April 1st. That was April Fool's Day.
Oh, yeah, it was a rough year for them. But the last 3 games were fun because it was Adam Wainwright's last hurrah as a Cardinal.
He'd been with them for almost 2 decades, about 18 years, actually a little longer than that.
Yep.
And they had a big, big ceremony and just all kinds of fun, but we enjoyed it.
Yeah, we did. It was awesome that they did that. So big kudos to the DeWitt family that owns the Cardinals. They really put on a great thing. He had a concert after, was it Saturday night concert game, and then a big ceremony on Sunday, the last game. It was just really cool.
Albert Pujols showed up, and so did Yadier Molina.
That was really cool. And kudos to Valley Sports Network that
broadcast the entire thing.
Yep, they did, which is incredible.
Yeah.
So MLB too, because that's part of their package deal. So anyway, we enjoyed the last Cardinals baseball game. And then Monday, so the rest of Sunday was kind of pack-up day because we were going to reset and take Taylo, our 5th wheel, into the leaf spring place where they were going to do...
They're going to check the leaf springs. I had a couple questions about, I thought they were too flat. Check the brakes. We have self-adjusting brakes, but yet they've never been replaced. And it's a, 19-year-old RV, 18, 19 years old. And repack the bearings first. So, got some interesting news.
Yeah,
you know, again, get your RV ready for winter travel if you're going south, if you're a snowbird. So we're trying to get it all tip-top shape. So they repacked the bearings, everything's fine. They did find the brake, one of the brakes was The shoes are cracked on it, completely cracked. You can see by the picture that, I mean, it's a shot brake, so they had to order brakes, and they didn't have them anywhere in town, so they had to order them from Sacramento. So they came in the next day. So what did we do? We spent the night on their parking lot.
Yeah.
We boondocked on the parking lot.
I was glad that we went and emptied our tanks on our way there. That we went and took care of that first, so that the next day, you know, because we were thinking we were going to be coming home Monday night.
But we got everything taken care of. Spent the night there. It was a quiet night, actually.
It was
for being where we were in Reno, in that neighborhood.
In that area.
It was a pretty quiet night.
Yep.
No gunshots at all.
Nope. And we only heard a couple of helicopters, which would be care flight, because the hospital's a few blocks away from where we were. So they were great, very accommodating. And just as we were getting ready to leave, they were putting on the last wheel, and the guy noticed a nail in the tire. So they put it all together, and then they marked around where the nail was. And so actually it was just a little teensy tiny tack.
Didn't even penetrate.
Hadn't penetrated.
Hadn't penetrated the rubber. It was
and
just
luckily there was a tire place right around the corner. Tom was able to go get the guy. He came over, looked at it, pulled it out. We sprayed it with soapy water, no leak. So we got lucky on that. Yeah. It was like, oh no, come on, what else? So we came home on Tuesday and got reset back up again. And before we pulled the kitchen slide out, we wanted to clean our batteries. So every now and then, every other month, every 2 months maybe.
We check the water every month, but clean the
terminals.
The terminals, and it was in pretty bad shape.
Well, we were getting a code on our solar monitor.
Yeah.
Saying something about the temperature and everything, and what was wrong was the little thermometer had gotten corroded from the batteries. But it's all better.
Those batteries are on their very last leg.
Yeah.
We've had those batteries since 17.
Yep.
And lead acid batteries. We got 4 6s in there, and they are. We've babied them. We have babied them, and they are on their last legs.
Yeah.
So,
time to get new ones.
Yeah.
So we kind of finished getting set up, and then Wednesday morning, we went to go see our friends Brian and Diana Crane. Brian is the cartoonist for the comic strip Pickles. Pickles.
See the ball cap? Nice hat.
Thanks. You got a nice hat too, Earl. We always love our visits with them. They're such nice people. We go annually to get our calendar. Yep. He puts out a calendar. And he had a new book out, so we got the second book. We have the first one, we got the second one. And he always autographs them for us. And we were really bummed last year because we just didn't get there, and they were traveling, and we missed them last year, so that was a bummer. We still got our calendar, but we had it shipped to us. But as we were leaving, we got these hats. So thank you, Brian and Diana. We love them. We love Pickles. And we love you guys. Thank you very much.
Yep.
After we visited them, we stopped by Costco to get gas, and we thought, well, while we're here, let's run in and get a couple things. So
you're at Costco, you got to get a chicken.
We got to get a chicken. Hey, $5 chicken.
And while you're at Costco, you got to get a $1.50 hot dog.
Oh yeah, we did that for lunch. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Kind of forced mine down. It was way too big, but I did eat it all. Probably because I didn't want to waste it, and you wouldn't have wanted it with all my mustard and relish all over it. And then we swung by storage and dropped off some stuff. So picked up Mom's heaters we need to take for her. So then on Thursday, I went to go play yatsi with Mom and her friends. So that was fun.
Old lady yatsi.
Old lady yatsi, yeah. Mom's yatsi days every Thursday, whether she's feeling good or not. She wants to play yatsi with her friends.
Yep.
And then I stopped by Jiffy Lube to get an oil change because we needed it done quick. And guess what? Uh-oh, now what?
This is on her Kia.
On the Kia, yeah. So they gave me the sheet back, and they said, "Oh, you've got a coolant leak and a massive oil leak."
Is what it said on the sheet,
yeah,
I think.
Massive oil leak. Okay, so I get home, and I don't park all the way in my spot, and we park on dirt, and it's like I'm looking, going, "There's not a single spot there. How's it leaking all of a sudden?" And so I stopped, and when I did, you did hear and see some stuff dripping, but nothing massive. So thankfully, was able to take it in on Friday morning to Wendy's friend Andy, and he's done work on our truck and the Kia all last summer. He did a big thing on the Kia, big job.
And when you took the Kia into him and showed him the thing from Jiffy Lube, what did he say?
He says, "Idiots, they don't even spell coolant right."
No, what else did he say?
Oh, he says, "I do oil changes." We do all things automotive at Andy's Automotive. And it's like, I know, I'm sorry. I should have called you a week ago, and you snooze, you lose. So, when I got to Andy's, there was nothing dripping, nothing, no problem. So he actually got it up on the rack. You could see where there's a little tiny coolant leak. And also there is a seal that needs to be replaced for the oil. For the oil. So we got an appointment to take it in on Friday.
This coming Friday.
This coming Friday, right. So
hopefully we'll get that done and get it all taken care of, and poof, it'll be
lesson
good.
Learned. Don't go to Jiffy Lube anymore. Only go to Andy's. And when your husband says, "Call Andy and get an appointment," you do it right then and there.
Or you do it yourself.
Yes. I know he knows how to dial the phone. But anyway, my car is my responsibility.
Oh, here we go.
And then yesterday afternoon, after I got back, I did some work and everything. I've got more work to do too. But I kind of want to get work done before we leave. That way I can just relax after we leave.
Because we are getting close to leaving.
We are
heading south.
Yes. It's always bittersweet. Yeah. It's always sad leaving my family.
It's always sad, but it's always happy because we know, because of this lifestyle, living full-time in our RV, that we're coming back again next year for an extended period of time again, which we never would have been able to do had I still been working a full-time job, living in a sticks and bricks, because we would be in a different town.
Yeah, we never got to visit as much as we do get to now. And I like last year was better than this summer, and I had a whole lot more time to spend with like Mom and stuff. And this time, there's just so many things going on.
But we got a lot of stuff done this summer. Got my knee done.
Got your knee fixed.
Got the truck fixed.
Yep.
Get the RV roof fixed.
Yeah. Oh, speaking of that.
Speaking of which, our RV roof recoating video comes out this Wednesday. What Up Wednesday.
Yep.
We'll show you how we did it.
How we did it.
This is a Tom and Lori how-to video. It's not a how-to video. It's not a how-to video.
It's like, what did Tom and Lori do? Instead of a WWTD, what would Tom do? It's what did Tom and Lori do?
It comes out Wednesday. So it'll be about 2 o'clock Wednesday afternoon that video will drop.
Yes.
So make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you click that bell to get notified when that video drops this Wednesday at 2 o'clock.
So as y'all know, Christmas is coming. So if you want to do some shopping early, Tom has some new designs on bonfire.com and Teespring for t-shirts and all that stuff. So new that we haven't even gotten that merch yet.
Yeah.
But it's
there.
It's available. So go check it out. You can follow the links below and the little pictures below that come in like a little strip underneath the video. Yeah. I think.
Yep. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So go check those out and get some early Christmas shopping done because it will be here before you know it.
Exactly.
So, anyway, are we good? We're good.
I believe so.
I believe so. So,
have a great week.
check out Pickles at pickles.com. See ya!
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Bear, is it time for breakfast? Is it time to eat? Time to bake?
You ready to go? Let's go eat. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on.